Most people get this wrong when they try to cash out on Freecash. They think there is one fixed rule for everyone, and then they get confused when their payout doesn't go through. Here's the truth no one tells you. The minimum payout depends on the reward method you choose, your account status, and sometimes even your country. Quick promise for you. In the next few minutes, you will clearly understand the current Freecash minimum payout options in 2026, how each withdrawal method works, what the real thresholds are, and how to avoid the common mistakes that delay or block payments. This matters because one wrong choice can slow your cash out or even trigger verification issues. Let's start with the simplest option, which is PayPal. On Freecash, PayPal is usually one of the most popular methods. The minimum payout is often low compared to other platforms, but it is not always the same everywhere. In many cases, users see a threshold starting around a few dollars equivalent. But here's the problem. If your account is new or flagged for review, Freecash may temporarily increase requirements or hold withdrawals for verification. Now let's talk about crypto withdrawals. This is where it gets interesting. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum options are available, but they usually have slightly higher minimum payout limits compared to PayPal. Why? Because transaction fees and blockchain processing costs need to be covered. For example, someone like Alex in India might prefer crypto because it is fast, but he may need to reach a higher balance before cashing out. Next is gift cards. Freecash offers Amazon, Google Play, and other gift card options. These sometimes have the lowest entry barriers. But here's the catch. Gift card availability and minimums can change depending on demand and region. John in the US might see instant availability, while Jake in another region might need a slightly higher balance before redeeming. Now, let's cover one mistake most users make. They rush tasks without checking offer requirements. Freecash earnings only count after offer completion is fully verified. If you try to cash out too early, your balance might look correct but still be pending. This is where most people think the platform is broken, when actually it's just a tracking delay. Another important point is level-based payout unlocks. Freecash sometimes rewards active users with lower fees or faster withdrawals. So if you are consistent, your minimum effective payout can feel lower over time. Now, here's the fastest way to avoid payout issues. Always complete one verified offer, wait for your balance to fully confirm, and then choose a payout method that matches your region's fastest processing option. In a minute, I would also suggest checking the withdrawal history section, because it shows whether your cash out is pending or approved. So let's summarize everything. PayPal usually offers the simplest and most flexible withdrawal option. Crypto has slightly higher minimums but fast global transfers. Gift cards can be the easiest entry point depending on your region. And most issues come from verification delays, not actual payout rules. If you understand these basics, you will avoid 90% of withdrawal problems on Freecash. You will also know exactly when and how to cash out without stress. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns like this.